I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I got something to say. What you're talking about is nothing at all. I'm just sleeping when we were crying together. That was a long time ago. Before you walk out the door and leave me this way, just hear what I say. You make me feel, you make me real. For the rest of my days, in so many ways, you make me feel. I've been trying to leave you. Why should we go on like this? My heart can beat when I hear you say it's better this way. You make me feel, you make me real.